Tiger, Scarlet. It's not real. Watch him go around.
I'm showing a video. Because I don't have the Halloween one. Last year wasn't up. But we have the Christmas one from last year.